In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the process of creating YouTube Shorts using Canva. So let's get started. So first, navigate to canva.com in your browser. You can search for YouTube Shorts or TikTok templates on Canva. Alternatively, start from scratch by selecting Create Blank Video. Click on Upload and select video you want to use for your YouTube short. Drag and drop video onto canvas. Resize and position video to fill YouTube short dimension. If needed, you can trim video to desired length using Video Editor. After trimming, click on Text and choose Text Style. Enter your desired text. Customize text by changing font, size, color effects, and other. Transition between video clips and click Add Transition. Choose Transition Effect to enhance flow between clips. Then preview your video. If you need, you can upload audio file to Canva and place it on the timeline. Arrange video clips and text elements on the canvas to create your desired sequence. If needed, you can adjust volume of audio by clicking on Audio track, and here you can lower. You can add also fade in and out effect to your audio. To text, you can add some animation by clicking on Animation tab, and here you can add your desired animation. Then preview your YouTube short to ensure everything looks good and sound good. Make any necessary adjustment to timing or positioning, and once you're satisfied, you can click on Share in the top corner and select Download and choose MP4 format. And your YouTube short will be downloaded to your device.